kind of longer, but I'm hoping it'll be good enough to just not have to skip around. Ryan Pictures, authentic versus performative YouTubers.
YouTube, some creators pour their real selves into every video, while others perform for views and clout. My name's Ryan, and we're going to compare authentic versus performative YouTubers, beginning with the first performative one, Kryonaut, who rose to popularity because of his—
Bro, I hate to say it, we just watched the amp video for the 9 to 5. He was not performative at all. Like, it was honestly a little bit boring, and it was a vast contrast. Like, you could tell immediately that he wasn't like turned on, you know what I mean? It was very weird to watch.
His content that focuses on high energy reactions, gaming sessions, or simply goofing around, along with group collabs full of meme-worthy moments,
always
like this
dancing,
one with
bro.
Kevin Hart. As of mid-April 2026, his main YouTube Clips channel has approximately 7 million subscribers, though most of his audience and engagement come from Twitch. However, despite the massive following, his exaggerated reactions—
Okay. I chose to get 10,000! Give me the give me, and I'm short,
and hype man energy have led many viewers to see his content as more for entertainment rather than natural behavior, calling it out through comments such as, "Why Kai be fake laughing at stuff? It's not funny, just don't laugh, bro." I've been noticing it too, especially when he says, "I'm crying." He always says that stuff, then—
Yeah, dude, that's the tough. I feel like that's why you can't be like performative really, because eventually somebody's going to see through it, or like enough people.
tear ducts are not producing anything. This perception became stronger during his last video on his main channel titled I Quit, where what seemed like a real reflection video felt planned, showing performative clips of journaling and daily routines. Because of this, many people didn't take it seriously and instead joked about it, saying, "We're gonna miss you, Kai. I hope you achieve your dreams. About that $23 I gifted you last year, I'ma need it back, not gonna lie." And bro even got a quitting stylist. People became even more doubtful when, right after he said he quit, he created a second channel called Kai's Mind, where his content shows a completely rebranded Kai, listening to music.
The first one is called King.
The new dawn. This is the new day. The time is now. Right now.
Exploring sewing, and reading with low quality camera setups.
Domestication and the
oh, dude, the reading streams are rough. It's rough too because people be making fun of him and stuff, and it's like popcorn reading like that is just, you're just not retaining the information. You're just reading it to pronounce everything right.
You are seeing and hearing right now is nothing but a dream. You are dreaming right now in this moment,
making him seem like a more simple person, despite already being widely known as filthy rich. Still, many viewers continue to joke about him in the comments, saying Kai took a break so people could take him seriously, and people just trolling in the comments. His camera lagging and wearing wired headphones while wearing Balenciaga in a multi-million-dollar house says it all. This is when more people started calling him performative, especially with videos discussing his sudden change in content.
When it comes to Kai's future and whether this whole rebrand actually works, it really comes down to one simple question: does he mean it or not?
If Kai truly wanted to read books to make himself smarter, because the thing is, he's been doing this with pretty much every facet of art. Right? Everything that people enjoy, music, movies, whatever, he is being as performative as possible with.
So
yeah, I mean, it is weird that he's jumping into like weird different topics that he's never really been on before, but I mean, that could also be that he was performing before and this is his real personality. So I guess, I mean, he's right. If this is real, then it's gonna work. If it's fake, it's not gonna work.
Kai faced massive backlash for his sudden rebrand about how—
Bro, and now that I think about it, in the AMP video, the 9 to 5, when he's like, oh, 9 to 5 workers are like the heroes of the world and stuff, like that kind of felt performative because it was immediately after bussing tables. Like he did a good job of it. He was just starting to act all of a sudden like dejected and slow, and I don't know, bro.
How real it was. The next YouTuber's content shows a more natural kind of authenticity. Largely inactive for a decade after creating his YouTube channel in 2011, Queso's content today spans horror games.
The morgue is up here.
Roblox experiences.
Your word is agnostic.
Food rankings.
I'm sure we could all agree Little Caesars is top tier. Little Caesars booty.
and just having fun playing random games. Like this supermarket simulator, which gained over
Yeah, dude, and I mean, that's all you gotta, I mean, he's just being himself and it seems easier, and it is easier. That's gotta be where your audience comes from. They gotta actually like you.
10 million views.
You couldn't let me keep this 30 cents. You really gonna sit here and wait for this 30 cents, ma'am? Really?
As of mid-April 2026, Queso has approximately 10 million subscribers on YouTube, thanks to being one of the most authentic voices in modern streaming. He openly jokes about his body and weight, even laughing at potential hate comments and just accepting them as self-deprecating humor.
Pork Floyd? Oh, yep, you're banned.
Yo, hold up, Yo, hold up. First off, can we...
Something everyday
Bro, at least being able to laugh at yourself. Like, it seems like Kai's not willing to do that at all. Like, especially with the bad comments. He's not rolling off with them.
audiences have appreciated. He laughed about it. He didn't get offended or upset because at the end of the day, he realized it was just humor. I think I'm gonna tune into his streams some more. He's also managed to stay grounded despite his massive growth, continuing to involve family in his content, something that became especially clear during his 10 million subscribers special, Cooking with Queso featured my mom, which he streamed in January 2026. This wholesome yet chaotic family cooking session quickly amassed over 1.8 million views, which was filled with unscripted conversations.
Spawn from the size of this. Stand down here. Look at the size difference, dude. How does that even make sense? You know what I mean? Look, I complete. Oh my goodness.
Kitchen mishaps.
Yes, it has. It's been cleaned. Oh, no!
Bro, he's just entertaining, bro. And it's funny because Kai can do that too, but it's like he has to actually, like, apparently turn it on.
Oh, no!
And heartfelt moments.
Say happy birthday to my mom again.
Thank you.
She helped your boy severe. No, she didn't help. She carried. Not gonna lie. She carried it for real.
Love you, baby.
Actually, love you.
Love y'all.
Bye.
And while Queso keeps things simple and real, the next YouTuber takes things to a much bigger, more performative level.
Oh gosh,
Jimmy
Mr.
Donaldson, known globally as Mr. Beast, needs no proof as a performative YouTuber, as he himself has long admitted that YouTube is really just about the views.
Doesn't that seem pretty illogical? Isn't that the whole point behind YouTube? To get views? But stop the BS. We all know everyone who does YouTube does it for views. You want views. That is what's fun. Getting views is fun. And so when people are like, oh, you only made this video for views or money, that's the point of YouTube, views.
His content goes beyond.
Bro, that is crazy to see an old version, like an old video like that. And he's been on that shit literally forever.
Simple filming, like his 2021 video, $456,000 Squid Game in real life.
I recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life, and whichever one of these 456 people survives the longest wins 456 grand.
Which featured 456 contestants, detailed set design, dramatic lighting, and fast-paced
I feel like right here it was still authentic though. Like, it was performative, but it was his passion, and he was authentic about it.
editing. Since 2017, his videos have been carefully planned to keep viewers watching, with exaggerated thumbnails and titles that follow a very specific style. Because of his drive to attract and retain views, Mr. Beast has amassed the highest number of followers on YouTube with over 500 million subscribers, leading to several other YouTubers who have copied his formula to maximize views, some of whom have also gained large audiences using his similar content styles. And this was exactly the kind of phenomenon that drew significant criticism from creators like Jacksepticeye, who argued that performative content like Mr. Beast's pushes YouTube toward more formula-based videos.
I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like now it is performative. Like, it seemed like on the Squid Games one specifically, like he would just kind of like lay out the challenge and then everyone has to do it's like a reality TV show, but real. Like, it's not scripted, so they're all talking and stuff. And now it feels more performative and scripted. Like before, I don't think it felt that much like it, but now it's not the same anymore since that video.
Content like Mr. Beast's pushes YouTube toward more formula-based videos.
Completely unrelated question. Do you like Mr. Beast? No. Do you think Mr. Beast ruined YouTube? Yes. Oh, Now, in all honesty, Jack, why? Because it became more about views, money, and popularity than it did about having fun. You just don't think you had fun playing Squid Games?
I mean, that's just a weird take because that's just assuming that because you're having fun, you could be a small channel and have fun. Just because you can get views and money doesn't make it the main and only goal of YouTube. Yeah, some people are going to do that and they get the most reach, you know, but you can have more fun than Mr. Beast on YouTube and be smaller. Like, that's ridiculous.
You think he had fun riding on yachts? Building wells in Africa? I don't know. If he had fun doing those videos, they'd be longer. We'd see the fun.
Ooh. Some people have also used Mr. Beast.
That's just a weird take. I just feel like that's like a hater take.
As an example, in critiques of capitalism in online culture.
We view Mr. Beast as the internet's greatest philanthropist, a modern-day saint who builds wells and pays for surgeries, but through a Marxist...
Yeah, the internet's greatest philanthropist is crazy. Like, just because he has spent a lot of money on doing good things, like, that's ridiculous.
A modern-day saint who builds wells and pays for surgeries, but through a Marxist lens, Mr. Beast isn't the solution to capitalism's failures. He is its final, most dystopian evolution. He has perfected an economy where human desperation is gamified, and charity is no longer an act of mercy, but a high-yield digital asset.
I'm pretty sure he's referring to that video that compares Marx to him. That's another really popular video that was recently posted. So I think he's just writing off of that.
Warned us that under late-stage capitalism, everything, even our empathy, would have a price tag.
Especially in how his videos sometimes turn serious situations into entertainment.
You just witnessed a small village in Kenya get access to unlimited clean drinking water in less than a second.
One down, 99 more wells in Africa to go. You're gonna love this video.
These comments about Mr. Beast have made viewers more aware of how his content works, leading many to now see him as less authentic.
I mean, what about that is like that? I mean, he's really doing it. So what about that is like so performative? Can he not be like hyped for it? Like I don't see why. I don't get the hate.
9 more wells in Africa to go. You're gonna love this video.
I don't know. Like I understand he's like a greedy person and there's definitely things he's done wrong. I don't know. I just think it's weird to attack him and say he hates doing this. He's only doing it for money.
These comments about Mr. Beast have made viewers more aware of how his content works, leading many to now see him as less authentic than before. Not only is he out of touch with reality, he is also
Oh, of course he's out of touch. Bro, you know how much money he's probably making though? Like you don't have a choice to be in touch with reality at that point. Like you genuinely just don't have the struggles anybody else has. I mean, there's just no way you wouldn't be.
Ripping people off. The guy doesn't care about his fans at all, just maximizing his income.
Ooh, and I don't think he's friends with Logan Paul. I mean, that chemistry video that we watched, bro, they are not friends. They're the most awkward people are in the same room together.
Off. The guy doesn't care about his fans at all, but unlike Mr. Beast, the next YouTuber shows a shift toward a more personal and evolving kind of authenticity, even though he's one of the biggest streamers in the world. Launching his YouTube channel in 2016 at the age of just 12 years old, Speed has matured into a less
Yeah, dude, I'd say he is basically Mr. Beast not only focused on money. If it was like balanced out a little bit more, that's what like Speed is. I feel like he does a little bit of everything.
Controversial and more mature streamer, with his content now ranging from general streams to pro wrestling and music videos among others. As a streamer, he shows a more wholesome and kind personality, like when he interacted with this special needs kid.
I love you, bro. Seriously, bro. I love you, bro. Come on, man. Thank you so much. I love you, man. Hey, keep going, okay? Yeah. Keep fighting, all right, bro? I love you, dog. We gonna keep going. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
And when he shared a moment with one of his oldest fans.
You were in Philadelphia. You were in Boston.
Wait.
You bought that yellow outfit.
Wait, you're a real fan?
Yes, I am.
Oh my God, you might be the oldest fan of mine.
He has also donated money during his streams, like helping kids with diabetes.
Thanks, man.
Oh, bro. What's your cash app, bro?
My dad's got a cash app.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Give me your dad cash app, bro. Give me your
Really?
All right, bet. It should be there. It should be there, okay?
Yeah, have a nice day, dude.
All right.
You are an absolute W.
Nah, bro. You're
Bye,
a dub,
dude.
bro.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's just the way he carries, and he does so many things. Like, you can tell he's not fake because he would have slipped up by now. You know what I mean? And Mr. Beast already slipped up. Kai's already slipped up. It's gonna slip at some point if you're not authentic. But I want to see who he's talking about next. I do not want to hear his videos. I mean, it's just an awful like voice, and it's so cringy. But we don't need to see the whole video. I mean, that's just, we're beating a dead horse at that point. It's a good video, but I mean, it's takes that have been said a bunch of times. I don't think this is like very original.